Welcome to KleinHacks. Since our hackathon is online this year, Discord is going to be our main communication platform. To get started, go to discord.com. Press the login button at the top right, then register. After creating the account, verify it through either an email or a phone message sent to you by Discord. Upon successfully creating your account, navigate to KleinHacks.com and press the Discord button to join our server. Once you're in, press the complete button at the bottom right and accept our terms and conditions to continue. Under the Welcome dropdown, click on our check-in channel and follow the steps to check in with the same email you used to register for KleinHacks, not your Discord account unless they are the same. After you've checked in, make sure to read through the rules, announcements, and links channels to get ready for the event. KleinHacks. Hack together separately.